In this video, we're going to look at registering the BobCAD-CAM software. Now, the first thing to do, you will want to make sure your computer's up to date, your Windows, and that you've also updated your graphics card driver. This is covered in the installation video. Let's go ahead and open up the software. Now, when you first open the software, if you've just installed, the software will come up in trial mode. Now, trial mode is a full 5-day license for the software. After the 5 days, the software will go into a demo mode and not allow you to access code or some of the other functionality inside the software. You will want to register the software before this point. Now, if you have internet access on your computer, you can use the register online function, which is the fastest method. Now, if you don't have internet access, if you're within the U.S., call the toll-free number listed right here on this dialog box. And if you're outside of the U.S., go ahead and call the local number. Let's go ahead and choose the register online. Now, if you aren't ready to register on this computer, you can also use the run as trial, which will allow you to use that full 5-day functioning license. When you click on register online, you'll see it gives you a picture of a BobCAD-CAM invoice. Now, on your invoice is going to be a license number and password for each seat of the software that you own. You'll want to enter that license ID and password here in these boxes, and then click on Activate. This will activate the software. After entering the license ID and password, then clicking on Activate, you should get a box that says License Activation Successful. If you get any sort of errors during the activation, make sure that the code, the license ID and password were typed in exactly as on the invoice. And if that doesn't solve the problem, or if there continues to be some sort of an issue, just go ahead and call our toll-free number, which is 877-262-2231. Outside of the U.S., use the number that's on the license dialog box. And go ahead and click OK. And when you've done this, you'll see that you get your license status box that will come up. It'll give you your customer ID and license ID, also your information or customer information. Now, on the left is a tree that displays which products are active and which products are available for the software. You should have a checkbox next to all the products that you've purchased. You can go ahead and click OK. And at this point, the software is now activated and licensed. You can also come to Help and License to see this information again. And that concludes registering your software.